Hey guys, it's Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to buy a gift card on Binge Movies and TV Online. We will also include a link in the description below to sign up and enjoy a 7-day free trial. To start, open the website trybinge.tv. Then click on Sign In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the upper right part of the page. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Dashboard. Click on Dashboard. On this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the Purchases tab. At the lower right part of this page, you will see an option for Buy a gift card. Click on Buy a gift card. Now, choose a gift card type, either membership or bundler, or custom amount. If you would like to gift a membership or bundle, click on Select option, then choose from the list provided. Next, select the quantity of gift card you wish to send to your recipient. Also, enter the recipient's name and email. You could also provide a personalized email for the recipient, just enter it on the field provided. After that, choose if you would like to send now, or send later. Then select a payment method. You may also add another card, just click on Use another card and enter your card details. Lastly, click on the Pay button. That's how you buy a gift card on Binge Movies and TV Online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.